you know that over 70% of people who try to make money online end up giving up? What if I told you that email affiliate marketing could be the solution to that? Stick around, and let's dive into how you can earn passive income online. Today, we're exploring the world of email affiliate marketing. This strategy has become a game changer for many looking to generate passive income. So, let's break it down and see how it can work for you. Now, let's talk about the reality of making money online. Many people jump in with high hopes, only to find themselves struggling with endless options and methods that just don't seem to work. You might have tried blogging, social media marketing, or even selling products directly, but it can feel overwhelming, right? The internet is filled with noise, and finding an effective way to earn can be a real challenge. You might feel like you're throwing spaghetti at the wall to see what sticks, but today I want to show you a clearer path. So, how does email affiliate marketing fit into all this? First off, you should know how to get emails from your targeted audience. This is your audience, people who are genuinely interested in what you have to say or offer. You can start by creating a list of some specific YouTubers who have a large number of subscribers but significantly low views, and we are going to offer some YouTube optimization services. So, search for a website called YouTube Playboard. Now click the channel search option. This is where we will target our specific channels. Follow these steps to set a high subscriber value and low views per week. You can also select a specific country you want to target. If you open each channel one by one, it will take away your precious time. To avoid that, we are going to use an email tool called Email Hunter. You can simply search on Google for Email Hunter extension and add it to your browser. Once you add it, click on Email Hunter, and it will extract all the emails present on this specific page. I recommend you don't copy the first 4 emails, as they are the Playboard official emails and not our targeted channels. Once you have that list, you can promote affiliate products or services that align with your audience's interests. The key here is choosing the right services, something you believe in, and that provides real value. When your subscribers trust you, they're more likely to make purchases through your links. And that's where the magic of passive income starts to happen. Copy all the remaining emails. Paste it to your notepad and open your Gmail, as we are going to reach these YouTubers. Click on Compose to create a new email. In the Recipients section, paste the emails you copied. Next, we need a proper email and affiliate links for the services we are promoting. To get a professional email, go through the link I pinned in comments to get the exact email I used in this video. But make sure to replace some text with your information, such as your username. You can also ask ChatGPT to make a marketing email. Lastly, we need the affiliate links we want to promote. In this video, we will be using Fiverr services to promote. Go to Fiverr and search for these services: video editor, thumbnail designer, voice-over artist, and video marketer. Just make sure to choose the best freelancer in each niche. For the video editor, I will choose this one as he is highly rated and budget-friendly. Copy its link and go to the Fiverr affiliate website. You should have an account on this website to generate an affiliate link. If you don't have one, watch the video I linked in the description to easily set up your account for free. On the dashboard, go to Marketing Tools, then head to the Default and Deep Links section, then click on Deep Link. Paste the URL here and click Save. Now your affiliate link is ready. Copy and save it in Notepad. Repeat the process for retaining services. Once you have all the links saved, go to your email and paste them one by one to their specific texts. And here is the final look at our recently created email. Click on Send, and you are done. Remember, be consistent to see the best results. I recommend joining the complete affiliate marketing course I linked in the description. So, that was today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Feel free to comment if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.